Have you ever left the house with flawless makeup, only to check the mirror a few hours later and see your foundation fading, your eyeliner smudging, and your lipstick completely gone? You're not alone! Keeping makeup fresh and long-lasting can feel impossible, unless you know the right techniques. In today's video, we're revealing the ultimate guide to long-lasting makeup, covering everything from proper skin prep to expert setting techniques used by professional makeup artists. If you're tired of midday touch-ups and want your makeup to stay perfect from morning to night, keep watching. Step 1. Prepping your skin for long-lasting makeup. The secret to long-lasting makeup starts with the right skincare routine. If your skin is too dry, makeup will look flaky and settle into fine lines. If it's too oily, your foundation will slide off. So, here's how to prep your skin properly. Hydration is key. Always start with a lightweight moisturizer suited to your skin type. For dry skin, use a rich, hydrating cream. For oily skin, go for an oil-free gel-based moisturizer. Primer power. A good primer is essential for long-wearing makeup. For oily skin, choose a mattifying primer to control shine. For dry skin, use a hydrating primer to prevent flakiness. Extra tip: if your makeup tends to wear off quickly, apply a gripping primer before foundation. It creates a smooth surface and locks makeup in place. Step 2. Choosing the right foundation and application techniques. Your foundation plays a huge role in how long your makeup lasts. Instead of going for the thickest formula, look for long-wear, buildable foundations that provide coverage without looking cakey. Use a damp beauty blender. This helps blend foundations seamlessly into your skin without looking heavy. Apply in thin layers. Instead of slapping on a thick coat, apply thin layers and build up coverage gradually. Set with powder. If you have oily skin, lightly dust a translucent setting powder on your T-zone to control shine. Bonus tip: want a flawless airbrushed finish? Press setting powder into your skin with a damp sponge instead of brushing it on. Step 3. The secret to crease-free concealer is amazing for brightening under your eyes, but if not applied correctly, it can crease and fade. Apply a thin layer. Too much concealer settles into fine lines. Use a lightweight, high-coverage formula. Use the triangle method. Apply concealer in an upside-down triangle shape to blend naturally. Set immediately. Gently press setting powder over your concealer to keep it from creasing. Pro tip: to make your concealer last even longer, apply a small amount of setting spray on your sponge before blending it in. Step 4. Locking in your look with the right products. Even the best makeup won't last without proper setting techniques. Here's how to lock it in. Use a setting spray. A long-lasting setting spray will keep your makeup fresh all day. Avoid overpowdering. Too much powder makes makeup look cakey instead of fresh. Blot, don't rub. If you get oily throughout the day, use blotting papers instead of adding more makeup. Extra tip: for even stronger makeup hold, layer setting spray between each step of your routine. Step 5. Long-lasting eye and lip makeup. Keeping eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lipstick from smudging can be tricky, but here's how to make them last. For eye makeup, apply an eyeshadow primer before eyeshadow. Use waterproof eyeliner to prevent smudging. Apply mascara in thin coats to avoid clumping. Insider trick. Set your eyeliner with a matching eyeshadow shade to keep it from moving throughout the day. For long-lasting lipstick. Exfoliate your lips before applying lipstick. Use a lip liner to prevent feathering. Blot between layers of lipstick for better hold. Bonus tip. To make any lipstick long-wearing, apply a thin tissue over your lips and dust translucent powder on top. Step 6. How to refresh your makeup. Throughout the day, even long-lasting makeup sometimes needs a little refresh. Here are must-have essentials to carry with you. Blotting papers. Absorb oil without ruining makeup. Mini setting, spray quickly refresh tired-looking makeup. Pressed powder lightly touch up shiny areas if needed. Quick fix. If your makeup looks dull after hours, spray a little setting spray and lightly press a damp sponge over your skin to bring back freshness. Step 7. Common makeup mistakes that shorten wear time. Even if you follow the best techniques, some common mistakes can ruin your makeup's longevity. Avoid these. Skipping skin. Prep makeup won't last without a properly prepped base. Using too much product. Thick layers break down faster than thin layers. Not letting products set. Rushing through application can cause makeup to slide off quickly. Pro tip. Give each layer a few minutes to settle before moving on to the next step. Final thoughts and call to action. Now that you know the secrets to long-lasting makeup, it's time to upgrade your routine. Start implementing these tips, and you'll notice a huge difference in how fresh and flawless your makeup stays. Which of these techniques are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Here's to long-lasting, gorgeous makeup without the hassle of constant touch-ups. See you in the next video! This version adds more professional techniques, practical examples, and insider tips to ensure the script is engaging, informative, and motivating for the audience. Let me know if you want any more refinements.